We don't drink, we take. Okay, so I also listened this one. A ice cream. A ice cream. Is it right? An ice cream. And I also listened some pronunciation. Suppose this word. Sorry? Paper. Okay, if we say paper, students will learn wrong. And why paper? Mahabub, why it should be paper? Why? Why? What's the rule? Because in CBC we use the short form. It should be paper. CBC hole hoto ki paper. But it's not CBC pattern. It's CV. That's why this vowel must be long vowel. A, paper. And in the same way, this one is, we say regular, but we should say regular.